Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door, they're both in good condition. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along the back of the car. The trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches, and the back bumper looks perfect as well. Take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Alright, now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door, they both are good. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches on them. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender has no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks really good. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel looks perfect. Let's have a look at the back seats now. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.